In today's lesson, we will construct a model of a rocket. There are two models to choose from. One is in the text and one is in the teacher's book. They will both illustrate the principles of rocket travel. The model in the text requires a film canister with a lid that fits inside the canister. These used to be commonly sold with 35mm film, but 35mm cameras are used less often today. If you can find them, the directions are on page 38 and 39 in the texts. The inside lids of some film containers have small holes on them. In this case, these holes would need to be filled before the rocket activity would work. Enamel fingernail polish or superglue could be used to fill these holes. Students will add half an effervescent tablet and 1 or 2 teaspoons of water to the canister. Fit the lid firmly in place, and place it inside the rocket with the lid facing down. Even if a small amount of water leaks out, allow a full minute or more for the gas to build up inside the canister and launch the rocket. Stand back to observe the launch. Directions for an alternative model are found in the teacher's book on page 22. They will thread a heavy string through a straw and tie both ends into items that are secure. The string should be at least 3 meters long. Rather than placing a balloon inside a paper bag that is taped to the straw, a better method is to have the students tape the blown up balloon directly onto the straw. Leave the balloon untied. The open end of the balloon must be pointed in the opposite direction the balloon will travel. Students will release the balloon and observe what happens.